Here's a look at how the coronavirus is impacting Johnson County, Kansas. As of this morning on Wednesday, April 22nd, we have 394 positive cases, 3,729 negatives. 36 of the positive cases have resulted in deaths, including one person in their 40s, 2 in their 60s, 6 in their 70s, and 27 in the 80-plus category. Now here is Susan Rome with the Johnson County Mental Health Center with more on work being done to promote well-being.
Certainly at this time, we're seeing an increase in anxiety and fear, and those are, I think, are very normal responses to the situation. We're also seeing a lot of adaptability. People are making adjustments to their routines and kind of doing okay with that at times. We certainly do know that as time goes on, we will probably see more and more distress as people become unemployed or have a longer period of time with that. We're already experiencing an increase in our crisis calls. And so we've tried to adapt to that as well. We've increased our capacity in our emergency services to be able to handle that potential increase and be able to serve the community and helping them sort out what they need and just having someone to talk to. We're doing really most of our business by way of telehealth right now. So we will walk people through that. It's a little bit clunky for those who may not have used that before, but we are doing individual work and medicine checks and even groups through the use of Zoom. So we're trying to get creative so that we can connect with those in need. One of the things that we have been able to just start late last week, is what we're calling our frontline support. And that is some specific crisis counseling for those who really are on the front line, such as the first responders and healthcare workers who have just kind of an increased amount of stress, and their work has changed in some dramatic ways, and they're seeing some really tough situations. So we're wanting to be available to serve those folks as they are serving our community. And finally, I'll just end with a few tips for you. Again, we are all struggling through this difficult time. It's really important to stay connected to people that you care about. Reach out. I think the face-to-face is really nice. So if you have the ability to do something by way of video or FaceTime, I think that's a little bit step up from the phone call, feels a little bit less lonely. So encourage you to do that. And then just taking care of yourself just a little bit more than you might have at other times. You know, taking care of those nutritional needs that you have, getting enough rest, finding ways to get out and take walks and so forth. It's normal to be experiencing a higher level of stress. And remember to reach out for some help, and we're there for you.
Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. For more information about COVID-19 in Johnson County, visit jocogov.org/coronavirus. You can also subscribe to a daily e-newsletter with the latest data and precautions being taken in the county and state.